Welcome to Go with Gustav. My name's Chris.
And I'm Rachel.
This is Sprocket.
And this is Tassie. Come and join us on our adventures.
But don't forget to like
and subscribe
and hit the notification bell. Welcome to this video. We've just entered Shropshire and we're on our way to Weston Park, and I can hear you shout, why are you going to Weston Park? Rachel?
It's because it's the Motorhome and Caravan Club. No, it's not the Motorhome, it's Start Again.
And why are we going to Weston Park, Rachel?
Because it's the Caravan and Motorhome Clubfest.
Well, I would just say we're on our way to Clubfest.
Okay, start again.
On our way to Weston Park. And why are we going to Weston Park, Rachel?
We're going for Clubfest.
We're going for Clubfest with the Caravan and Motorhome Club. And more importantly, we're going as the band. We'll see you there. Morning. We're band lines on 5C.
5C?
With the band.
Yeah, what name is it, please?
Cobon.
There'll be somebody there to meet you, to take you.
Okay, thanks.
See you later.
Bye.
It's either 5C or 5. Feels a bit soft underfoot.
Sorry about the figure of 8 slalom.
No, that was all right. I just had to.
It adds to the excitement.
Yeah. Morning and welcome to Clubfest. This is the arrivals day. We got here a day early to set up with the band, and people are just starting to arrive. They're still setting up parts of it, but people are starting to come in. Here's a group of motorhomes coming in. Band lines in the distance. So I've just met some of the band that are going to have a go on the segways. They're just putting on their gear. I think you have to be over 10.
Keep going.
So we just come through to the lake where you can do kayaking and paddleboarding. We've got members of the band have signed up for paddleboarding this afternoon, but already early this morning there's people out having a go at the kayaking. So as I explained, we're here as part of the band, and so we've got a quick rehearsal this afternoon just to blow the dust off our instruments. This is a picnic area up at the house. Brushing the lawn over there. Behind us we've got the church. You'd like a greenhouse like this then?
I would, but that's bigger than our garden.
It is bigger than our garden. Beautiful greenhouse. So we think we're coming up to the side of the house. We're just going to go and have a look and see if we can get a shot of the front of the house. Up there. This is the front of the house. Very friendly. The gardener's over there just said hello to us as we came up. That is the entrance if you want to come today. If you're attending Clubfest, you get in on a slightly cheaper rate.
It's only £6.
But it's only £6 anyway. We're just saying the house looks nicer when you've got the gardens in front of it. There's a fellow Adamo owner arriving. If you've not been to Clubfest, water is piped across the grounds in these blue pipes. So you have standpipes for your water, you've got places for your rubbish and recycling, and the yellow container, which you won't go too close to, is where you empty your toilet. That's the Elson point. And this is band lines we're coming on to. And there's the electric. Everyone's got, well, not everyone's got electric, you can choose, but we've got electric. So we're plugged in. And we've just got to develop, we're going to put a tent up for our daughter.
One's the petrol station. I'm not sure where it is. Sorry.
Yeah, that is one thing we do like to have a bit.
Yeah.
I've only got about 20 or so left now.
Oh, so you'll click the little top.
Yeah, that's it. And
Right,
so if you wanted it upside down,
Yes.
so if you wanted it hung up.
Well, good morning. It is now Saturday morning. I'm taking the dogs for a walk, similar to yesterday, although I'm taking a different route past the lake. My daughter's arrived. She's in the tent outside. Rachel and my daughter have gone off for a quiz as part of the Caravan Club concert band teams. There's 2 teams entered by the band. So while they're out for a couple of hours, I'm just taking the dogs for a walk, and then I'm going to go back and get ready for our performance this afternoon. So if there's any more nice shots on today's walk, I think last night we went to see the ELO Experience, which was absolutely brilliant. People were still arriving because it was Friday night, so when they got back from work they'll be setting off. But ELO were on, was it 8 o'clock? Yeah, 8 o'clock until about 9:30. An absolutely fantastic performance. When you say it's nearly as good as the real thing, it sounded like the real thing. We knew every single number. Very good light display, good sound, really nice festival feeling. Not crowded, but the arena was absolutely full. When I say not crowded, it means you had space around you, we didn't feel cramped. So just a very nice experience. People could go to the bar, you could get food, lots of different choices. Tonight I think it's Scouting for Girls, and then tomorrow it's going to be Jason Donovan. Come on then, this way. Thank you very much. Just a reminder, this is your band, the Caravan and Motorhome Club concert band. Find us on Facebook.
Want some over there? Yeah, want some over there? Hands in the air! Sing to me! I can't hear you! Bounce this way! Hey! Grass is not very forgiving, is it? Sing to me! We got this, right?
So this is Sunday morning. It's rained all night, so they've been a little bit boggy, but it's all drying out nicely. The sun's just come out, and we've come down so Sprocket and Tatty can fail the dog show. There's some nice music going on over there on stage 2. This is Wilbur as well.
Tassie, golden retriever, yeah. Sprocket, and Sprocket is a golden retriever.
You absolute failure. Are you a failure?
Do you want to actually grab her? She's not attached to her.
You're a failure too. Are you a failure?
No, it's not a failure. I didn't win. This is the difference.
Sprocket. Not sure if that's a CV20 or CU20. I'll just...
Yeah, so I'm going over to see her. Just show my face. It's not finished, yeah.
They're down here. Yeah, they've got the prices down here. Just on our way down now to catch a little bit of the Wurzels.
And he's going to play you a little tune that he wrote while he was lying face down in a muddy trench just outside of Oxford one night.
Ruby, 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 Ruby.
We would like to thank everybody at the fest here for inviting us for the second time.
Yeah, great stuff.
Thank you very much. We'll come back next year as well.